OpenAI is really straightforward to get started with. I created this really basic setup. So you have a website with a couple of categories, click through, get to some product items. So you got Bermuda grass, click through to this. Got description, title, description, and then you have your OpenAI here. So you can just ask any question about this grass. So you can say, is it good for kids? And then you click the button, does some researching, and then you get back your response. So yes, it is. So to quickly jump in the code and see the setup, go here, we got our pages, so the category, subcategory, and the item that we stepped through. So the item page had the chat on it. Go in here, and just down here, just created a component. It's just the input component called AI input. So we can click through. I'm just sending through description and name. This is just an Astro thing, so don't worry about that. You can click through to here. And then we are just installing OpenAI, setting some state for our loading, getting the question passed through, and this is basically where it all happens. So you have this coming from the API, the create completion, you choose your model, and this is where we kind of complete the unknowns for the question. So we're saying use this information, and then we pass in info. So if we remember here, this is what I'm passing in here for info. So it gives it some context to help provide an answer for the following question. So that's the question coming from the user, which is this here. Then we have temperature, I haven't really looked into that. And we have max tokens, which seems to determine how long your response is going to be. Then we just set the question into use state and the output. And then we have the output showing. So that's pretty much it. And also just with setup, you just have to set it up in your personal account, get the API key. So you get an API key, and also you just set up your billing. So you have to, I gave it $20, but you can set usage limits. So you have a hard limit, it will stop after that. So it doesn't waste too much money. Send you an email after 15. And that's it.